Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Toyota Corolla Hybrid. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Corolla Hybrid that's stylish, practical, and fun to drive. With an interior designed to maximize driver comfort and convenience, the latest infotainment tech, and a safety package that includes driver assistance features, this smart sedan is ready to take you confidently into the future. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Hybrid efficiency never felt so sporty. Treat yourself to a test drive in this Corolla Hybrid. Our professional staff is here to make your experience fun and easy.